Welcome back, guys, and we are just rounding up some of the last of our series here. These are the ultimate rare Kyosho Mini Z's, guys. If you saw some of the last ones, I mean the chrome ones are all here, they're absolutely beautiful. So we are winding up now, guys. There might be one video after this and I think we are more or less done. So carrying on the theme, here's another one. This is an official limited edition one, and this is our Subaru BRZ, and it's also released as a Toyota, I believe. So yeah, so it's out of the case at the moment, guys, and I think this one was one in 2000 or one in 2500, I can't remember, but if you have a look you can see the anime lady on there, and it's got this crazy kind of universe theme going on, like the stars sparkling away in the distance or something like that, I don't know. Cool car though. I'm not really too fond of the actual anime thing, but the colour scheme, I actually like that. If it wasn't for the woman plastered all over it, I actually like the way the blue's gone into the purple and it goes into the white. Kind of cool. So yep. That, I'll double check, guys, but I know that is definitely an officially rare one. And I can't remember if it was 1,250 or 1,500. I'm not exactly sure, but it is. So, beautiful little babe there. Where are we going to put you? Find a little case to put you on. Okay, right, this one, guys, another one that I robbed the wheels off. And this is another Honda, the Ray Brig version. You can see the one on the bottom over here. They're a bit different. That one's more of a purpley kind of colour, and this one's the NSX version, and that's the other HSV version. So the GTs in the NSXs look crazy. The newer versions anyway, not the ones with the shark fin thing on it. And as you see in my other videos, I have the in decal one and the Epson decal one. Is that chrome on the roof? No, it's not. But nevertheless, that has turned out to be a rare little beauty. And the wheels are sporting some other little car at the moment. So I will put something under there though, guys, when I put it on the display stand. So let's put you over here. I don't know if you can see them. Well, you can see that one. Right, okay. And I believe just one last vid. And then we are basically done. So have a look at them on the display, guys, and we'll move on. Okay, it's going to be a mission packing all this stuff up afterwards, alright? So guys, I believe that this was also released as the 50th anniversary version, and this is the Karuwaza online version, which I think it's based on some anime characters. The colour scheme I really like. I'm not really fond of the lady on the side and the number, but just the colour scheme alone, I think it looks kind of cool. With them wheels, looks amazing. And this is rare. Now I can't remember, guys, if it was 1,500 or 2,000, but it definitely is a limited edition, officially limited edition Kyosho Mini Z. And so this is the Subaru BRZ, but also is the Toyota 86, I think. But yeah, so this is number 773 version. And you would have noticed that Kyosho have brought out quite a few cars with the anime kind of look on them. There's a Lancia, Mitsubishi Lancia with that on as well. And also there's another version similar to this that's been brought out with it. The Fast and the Furious S2000 that also had, not as in detailed as this, but an anime picture on the actual car as well. So it's a big look in Japan, and this has become quite rare. Yeah, the Mitsubishi Lancer has the Alice Motor Super Takio, which is some kind of animation on it. But pretty funky though. Cool looking car. So the other one they brought out was the JKB86 Kyosho, and that was the 50th anniversary special edition version. And that's similar to this, just more pink, with different wheels. And that one, 1,800 pieces were made of that one. So yeah, so I think they kind of went to town on the 50th anniversary and released some crazy stuff. Okay. Interesting car. It's a Toyota 2000 GT, and they've made it really low to the ground, the profile, and it's long. It's got a sleek hood. It was basically redesigned to be the ultimate racing performance car. So I can imagine this becoming one of the classics, like the old Truno 86. 197 horsepower, and it's a naturally aspirated 2-litre engine. That's pretty cool though, to come out of a 2-litre naturally aspirated car. Amazing technology in Japan. Okay, let's move on, guys. Okay guys, so here we have the Honda, and this is the rare brig Honda NSX GT version. And guys, you know I like my GT, my NSX GTs. I think they look proper cool. I've got the in one, the Epson one, and also this rare brig one. This is probably the least favourite of mine. Not to hate on it, but yeah. I don't think it's totally amazing. It's alright, it's got a decent colour scheme. This has become pretty rare now. But yeah, but I would definitely pick the other ones in a heartbeat over this. But it's still a decent shell and worth having, and you know, a worthy member of the fleet. And again with this one, I think the only thing was it hadn't been used, but the wheels had been, I think the seller had used the wheels somewhere else, and I wasn't too fussed. So wheels you can always replace and put there. I'm not too fussed if it's not looking amazingly stock. So yeah, but you can tell it's not really had much use at all. But yeah, it's still looking amazing, looking kind of cool. So the rare brig basically has, they kind of have the same colour scheme on their Honda HSV 010, but the difference is they have a bit of chrome on that one. And yeah, I mean rare brig's okay, but the Kahin version of the Honda that they did was amazing. But yeah, they tend to like purple and black, because if you look at this, HSV, this is the rare brig version as well. They've got blue chrome on the roof, but apart from that, it's all the purple and black theme going on the car. Nice shell, it's alright. Okay, let's move on.